Casement windows are a popular choice for Rowlett homeowners who want excellent ventilation, energy efficiency, and a modern, streamlined look. Hinged on one side and operated with a crank, casement windows open outward and seal tightly when closed, making them one of the most energy-efficient window styles available. However, even the highest quality casement window won't perform properly without professional installation. In a climate like Rowlett's, with hot summers, occasional storms, and shifting seasonal temperatures, proper installation isn't just important. It's essential. Here's why professional installation makes all the difference. Ensuring a proper, airtight seal. One of the biggest benefits of casement windows is their tight compression seal. When closed and locked, the sash presses firmly against the frame, reducing drafts and air leakage. But that seal only works if the window is installed correctly. If the frame is even slightly misaligned, you may experience air leaks, reduced energy efficiency, difficulty locking the window, uneven pressure on hinges and hardware. Professional installers ensure the window opening is properly measured, leveled, and squared before securing the unit. This precision guarantees that your casement windows perform as designed, keeping conditioned air inside during Rowlett's hot summers. Protecting against water intrusion. Rowlett weather can bring heavy rain and strong winds. Improperly installed windows are one of the most common sources of water intrusion. Professional installation includes proper flashing, sealing, and insulation around the window frame. This creates a watertight barrier that protects your walls and prevents moisture damage. Without correct installation, water can seep behind the frame, leading to mold growth, wood rot, and costly structural repairs. Maintaining smooth operation. Casement windows rely on hinges and a crank mechanism to operate smoothly. If the window is not properly aligned during installation, the sash may stick or bind when opening, fail to close completely, wear out hardware prematurely. Professional installers make sure hinges are properly supported and the sash operates effortlessly. This not only improves convenience but also extends the life of the window's mechanical components. Maximizing energy efficiency. Rowlett homeowners often choose casement windows for their energy-saving benefits. Double-pane glass, insulating gas fills, and low-E coatings help reduce heat transfer. However, poor installation can undermine those benefits. Gaps between the frame and the wall can allow air leakage, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Professional installers use proper insulation materials and sealing techniques to eliminate these gaps. The result? Lower energy bills and consistent indoor comfort. Preserving warranty protection. Many window manufacturers require professional installation to maintain warranty coverage. De-installation or improper fitting may void the warranty, leaving you responsible for future repairs. Choosing professional installation protects your investment and ensures you're covered if any issues arise. Improving security. Casement windows are known for their secure locking systems. When installed correctly, they create a tight seal that is difficult to force open. Improper alignment, however, can weaken the locking mechanism or create small gaps that compromise security. Professional installation ensures your windows close securely and lock properly, giving you peace of mind. Long-term performance and value. Casement windows are an investment in your home's comfort, appearance, and value. Professional installation ensures that investment delivers long-term performance. Properly installed windows last longer, require fewer repairs, maintain energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal. For Rowlett homeowners, cutting corners during installation can lead to higher costs down the road. A smart decision. For Rowlett homes, casement windows offer exceptional benefits, but only when installed correctly. Professional installation ensures airtight sealing, smooth operation, moisture protection, and long-term durability. If you're upgrading your windows in Rowlett, choosing experienced professionals is one of the most important steps you can take. It's not just about putting in a new window, it's about ensuring your home stays comfortable, secure, and efficient for years to come.